People keep saying you should invest in index funds, but almost nobody explains what they actually are. Are they safer? Are they smarter? Or just another buzzword everyone repeats? Today, I will break it down in a way that feels simple and finally clicks. An index fund is basically a basket of hundreds of companies you buy all at once. Instead of picking individual stocks, you buy the whole market in one move. The fund simply tracks an index like the S&P 500 or the global market. If the index goes up, you go up. If it goes down, you go down. Stock picking is hard. Most professionals do not consistently beat the market over long periods. Index funds became popular because they do not try to guess the winners. They track everything. That means lower costs, fewer mistakes, and performance that usually beats most active investors over time. The fund manager is not trying to outsmart the market, they just copy the index. So if the index adds a company, the fund adds it. If a company drops out, the fund removes it. This rules-based approach keeps costs low and reduces the number of decisions needed. Here is the real reason people rely on index funds. You are instantly diversified. You get low fees and you invest in the growth of entire markets instead of betting on a single company. For long-term investors, it is one of the simplest and most reliable ways to build wealth. Markets go up and down all the time, but historically, over the long run, broad markets trend upwards as companies grow, hire, innovate, and earn profits. An index fund rides that long-term growth without you having to guess which company will boom next. Index funds are simple, but that does not mean they protect you from everything. When the market drops, they drop too. There is no special shield. They just give you a steady way to capture the long-term growth of the market, which is why people use them for big goals like retirement. So, why do so many people rely on index funds? Because they give everyday investors access to what used to be available only to professionals. Broad diversification, low cost, and a simple path to growing wealth without trying to guess the next big winner. Index funds are not about getting rich quickly. They're about building wealth steadily, quietly, and over time. They keep investing simple, and that is exactly why they work so well. If you want to make smarter money decisions without drawing in jargon or hype, make sure you subscribe. And tell me in the comments what investing topics you want me to cover next. I always read your ideas.